Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're coming to you from our home. We're going to review the Mimo antenna for Netgear. It goes with this hotspot here. It's an antenna to increase your signal, to boost it, so you have better internet access and speed. So we're going to open it up. Bryce is going to open it up. Maybe.
I got it. Here. Okay.
And it comes with some little instructions on the back, as you can see there. So unboxing it, it's a relatively flat antenna, very thin. And it comes with these suction cups, 2 of them, that you can install here in the back. And some clips as well. So these would go on your window towards a cell tower, or if you're just using it on your computer.
These are for the computer.
You can use clips on here like this. Say we're sitting around the RV and we're driving some, don't need to put on the window, and you can connect it to your laptop right here. It's on there pretty good. Doesn't really get in the way of your top of your windows at all, or your view.
And it's really easy to get on there.
So MIMO means multiple in, multiple out. So it has 2 antenna ports here.
And just take these off.
Take the antenna off here. So those tabs are removed, and then you just plug it in here. Let's check it real first. So it shows about 3 bars.
Yeah, 3
right?
bars of 4G LTE.
4G LTE. Let's plug it in. Let's see if anything changes. And it automatically went up to
4
or 5. 1, 2, 3. Is there 6 total or 5 total? I can't. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's 5 now. So it went up at least a bar. So, and that's with us not even pointing in a certain direction. Let me see if I turn it here towards the window and see if anything changes. Not really, but it did go up 1 bar initially.
It did help.
So that's kind of cool. And the computer's working fine, of course. And so, pretty easy to install, no software required. When you need to. Plug and play basically. It's a TS9 port connection, used for your mobile spots, mobile hotspots, and it has a 40-inch long cable, and the size is about that size, 5 by 4 inches, and it's fairly cheap. It's around $24 to $34 on Amazon. We will have a link below to our Amazon store. You can purchase it. It's pretty neat. This is just unpacking, so we have to review it later and give more comments below on how it's working while we travel in the RV.
Looks pretty good though, I think. This is all it is right here, right?
Yep. So if you would, like this video, like our page. Subscribe, and
share the video.
Yep, share video, and we'll be back with you on a more thorough review of our new antenna. Thanks.